Hello, my dream girls. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to create a sharp and detailed makeup look, the one I have done here. Before we begin, let me tell you that you can use any products that you already have to create a similar look. Now, let's get started. For my first step, I'll prep my skin and I'm applying a primer. This one is from Bobbi Brown, which is enriched with vitamin E. I'll apply it and then let it sink in for a few seconds and then we'll start my makeup. For my makeup, starting with my foundation, and I've taken Airbrush Flawless Foundation from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'll be applying it with the help of a kabuki brush to get the maximum coverage out of this foundation. For my concealer, going in with Forever 52 Complete Coverage Concealer and applying it with the help of a concealer brush, and finally blending it more with the help of my finger for a flawless finish. Then to set my cream based products, I am taking my translucent powder. This one is from Maybelline Fit Me range. For blush, going with an English pink shade from Makeup Forever brand. Next is to contour, which is an important step. For that, I am taking contour powder. This one is from Sugar Cosmetics. It is in the shade Caramel Captain. Doing contour on my cheeks, jawline to create some depth and shadows. Also contouring my nose to get a sharp look. Next, going in again with the translucent powder and taking it on a powder puff and applying it beneath my eyes for two purposes. One is to bake and another is to catch any eyeshadow shade fall off once I'll do my eye makeup. Next step is to shape my eyebrows, and for that I'm taking brow powder. This one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm using an angular brush to shape and fill in my brows. Next step is to prime my eyes, and for that I'm taking paint pot from MAC brand and using my finger to apply it all over my eyelid. For my eyeshadow palette, I am taking Rose Quartz palette from Huda Beauty. First, I am taking shade Serenity, which is a mauvish shade, and I'll apply it on my crease and upper crease with the help of a fluffy brush. Next, I am taking shade Happiness from the same palette, which is a rose pink shade, and first I'll apply it on the outer V of my eyes and then merge it with my previous eyeshadow shade with the help of another fluffy brush. Next, taking shade Joy, which is a shimmery rose pink shade, and apply it on the center of my eyes first, and then we'll apply it to first half of my eyelid using my finger only. Then taking another light color shimmery shade, and with the help of a flat brush we'll apply it on my inner corner of the eyes. Also we'll apply it on my brow bone area. Next, I'm dusting off my translucent powder with the help of a big fluffy brush. For my next step, going in with a black eyeliner from NYX Professional Cosmetics and creating a half winged eyeliner look. Then I've taken the shade Serenity back from my eyeshadow palette and I applied it on my lower lash line. No eye makeup look is complete without a mascara, so I'm applying one from Bobbi Brown. And to get that dramatic look, I've applied false eyelashes. Now let's come to the lips, and first I'm contouring my lips with the help of a contour pencil. This one is from K Beauty. I've applied it on rest of my lips as well, and I am using a brush for better spread of this contour shade on my lips. Lastly, for my lip shade, I'm going in with Maybelline's Vinyl Ink Lip Shade in the shade Sultry, and yeah, this is it. So with this, I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.